Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate QuickBooks Online with Plaid for bank feeds, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating QuickBooks Online with Plaid for bank feeds, first, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the banking section from the left-hand menu. Click on the Link Account button. In the search bar, type the name of your bank. Select your bank from the drop-down list that appears. You will be redirected to the Plaid screen for bank authentication. Enter your online banking credentials in the fields provided. This usually includes your username and password for your bank account. Follow any additional security steps your bank may require. This might involve two-factor authentication or answering security questions. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Plaid will then connect to your bank and retrieve your financial data. Select the bank accounts you wish to sync with QuickBooks. After selecting the accounts, click Connect. You will be taken back to QuickBooks Online once the connection is established. Review the accounts linked to ensure everything is correct. Customarily, QuickBooks will start downloading your transactions immediately. If prompted, specify how far back you want to import transactions. Monitor the process to ensure that data syncs without any errors. If any issues arise, check your bank's website for any outages or restrictions. Once transactions are imported, review them in the Banking tab. Categorize and reconcile transactions as needed for accurate bookkeeping. And that concludes the steps to authenticate QuickBooks Online with Plaid for bank feeds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.